How to make things disappear. The small dog brushed against the paisley print of childhood, a snagged ball in the mouth of a wagging creature. How to prize recollection from poetry at war, to suture a gloved hand in the symmetry of a blue jay's wing. It was never my intention to make suffering a sign. Although they stopped using verdigris in the 19th century, green is still a holy colour. See Muhammad's gown. Important men are given a green halo. Mr. Spider, where are you going to be when the dark tries to see me? Mr. Spider, what are you going to do when the morning don't carry me through? Mr. Spider, who will you kiss when light makes its draught of this? Mr. Spider, where are you going to be when the light sees too much of me? Mr. Spider, can it be twice true that, friend, I made a fool of you? Shut up, shouts the musician at the crowd. Listen before it is lost. I am sorry, it is years since I performed in public. My mouth is dry, my frame awkward. I'm not used to talking. My words are ribbons in a box, mismatched buttons in a bag. Varnish has replaced polish. Magic has become explosion. Breathe is a synonym for breath. Monstrous battles with monopoly. My owl flies at 5, face hidden from the world, his wings taut brown to the faraway tree at the edge of the field. He searches sudden movement to guide his passage.